Hello everyone and welcome. We are here in Paris for the XRPL and GDF Stablecoin Roundtable, and we have the pleasure to be speaking with my dear friend and SPV for Digital Assets and Blockchain for Mastercard, Christian Rau. Christian, thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Odelia.
Fantastic. So Mastercard have been one of the leading pioneers entities when it comes to everything around the future of payments, the future of digital assets, and of course nowadays also stablecoins. Share with us, please, what's keeping you busy these days at Mastercard?
Of course, and it wouldn't come as a surprise that we look at these things from a payment first perspective. And over the last 50, 60 years, we've been constantly innovating on how payments can be safe, simple, secure. And obviously, they never happen in isolation or in a vacuum, right? You will observe that yourself. You rarely use your card, you use your Android or your iPhone to make mobile payments. And if you then fast forward to 5 years back or 2 years back, you will realize that beyond your professional perspective, that stablecoins had arrived in the financial services mainstream, and we believe that the benefits that they bring in terms of settlement cycles, money moving globally freely, they can definitely add to further driving sustainable innovation in the financial services and payment ecosystem. And that's why we're very engaged in this.
So from one side, you enable your merchants to use stablecoin as a means of payments. From the others, you also enable direct settlements on different types of stablecoins, like the RLUSD, for example. You want to maybe share a bit more about that project?
Yeah, that's right. And I know there's different schools of thought. Some people say the future will be wallet-to-wallet direct connections, which for sure there's a lot of space for that. We, however, believe that the power of the network that we bring in terms of 150 million acceptance location, 3.8 billion cards, plugging in stable coins into this system is the best of both worlds in that sense. So think about stablecoins as just another settlement currency within our network that again brings certain benefits that fiat currencies do not allow today. The XRP example is we work with Gemini, one of our most sort of prominent crypto partners in the US, and we explore with them to settle their card flows in RLUSD. So we look at bringing this to life still in the first half of this year, and we are very excited about that.
Absolutely, and that's also extremely exciting given some of the features of the XRP ledger, right, that were designed from inception to support a lot of these cross-border transactions of digital assets and different types of stablecoins as well. So that is really exciting. I think also Mastercard has such a unique reach, right, in terms of countries and partners and merchants. And you've also recently launched the Mastercard Partners Network, right? You want to maybe share a bit more about that?
Yeah, absolutely. As mentioned, partnerships are essential to us because there's rarely things that we do ourselves end-to-end, right? We work with issuers, we work with acquirers, we work with so many tech platforms and different companies in between. And for us, the Global Crypto Partnership Program is a way to basically cast a very wide net to partner with the best companies in the industry to get together advanced, safe, simple, secure payments in a very sustainable manner.
Absolutely. We see this 100% as a strategic partnership between the XRP Ledger and Mastercard, and are truly looking forward to further develop and design more use cases, more applications, and more solutions to really serve the wider ecosystem. So thank you, Christian, for being with us, and looking forward to our panel soon. Thank you.
Thanks, Odelia. I appreciate it.
Thank you.